When I began my career, very few women were leading complex organizations like this one. So no, it did not enter into my mind that I would potentially be leading a community college at this point in my life, but I'm awfully glad I am. My leadership style is largely one of engaging my team, asking my team to use their brains on a regular basis. For me, I've come to the realization that there's no leadership without followership. And so it's important for me to enable my team to press forward with me, not necessarily behind me. So I think my leadership style is participatory. Well, I think certainly someone who would lead a community college, it's extraordinarily important to have compassion. I think it's an important piece of every life that you live, to be able to put yourself in someone else's shoes, to be able to understand the viewpoints of others. I think incorporating compassion into the way that I work is through the way that I view our students and the way that I view our employees. Everyone who steps up at Quinsigamond Community College has the student at the center of their universe, especially while they're here. And so I encourage that, and they respond naturally to it. Clearly, you know, Quinsigamond Community College is on the rise. We have an enrollment that is strong. We are placed within the community in some important facilities. We've grown that footprint. I see more. I see Quinsigamond continue to expand in Southbridge and in Worcester and in other communities throughout our service area, because we need to be positioned where people need us the most. And I think Quinsigamond has the opportunity to lead. For myself, you know, I continue to work even though I could possibly retire, but I love the work. It fulfills me spiritually, and I intend to stay for a while.